In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're auditing your company's finances or just trying to figure out where a transaction went, knowing how to retrieve this kind of information can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in with clear, detailed instructions you can follow along with ease. Firstly, the journey begins by clicking on Sign In. You'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online portal. Once you're on the QuickBooks webpage, you should see the familiar sign in button. Clicking here will start the process as you log in to access your QuickBooks account. After hitting the sign in button, the next step is to choose QuickBooks Online from the list of product options. QuickBooks offers several products, but since our focus today is on the online version, make sure to select it to continue setting up your session on the right platform. Now it's time to type in your credentials. Enter your username and password into the appropriate fields. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. After filling in the details, press Continue, which will grant you access to the QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is where all your financial management happens. Once you're logged in, you'll want to move over to the Reports tab. Looking at the interface, you should find this tab along the left side panel of the dashboard. Clicking on it will reveal a host of reporting options that QuickBooks offers to track your financial data. In the report section, you'll need to type in audit log into the search bar. Typing in these keywords will help you pull up the audit log report, which is essential for identifying deleted transactions. This log serves as a comprehensive history of all activities that have occurred within your account, providing a detailed record of financial changes. After searching, click on audit log. What this will do is open a new page displaying a detailed listing of all recent account activities, including entries of deleted transactions. QuickBooks maintains this log to ensure that you can always trace back actions performed within the system. Think of it as your digital paper trail. Finally, navigating to the audit log will present you with all the deleted transactions. Here, you should see listings of each deleted entry, categorized by date, type, and the user who performed the action. Take your time to examine the transactions, making sure to note any details relevant to your inquiry. By following these steps, you'll gain the ability to efficiently recover important financial data in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your financial records accurate and up to date is always important, and utilizing the audit log gives you the power to ensure nothing critical slips through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.